If you're only worried about what other people think, then you'll never know who you are. And in the realm of authenticity and in the realm of social media, I want to get your thoughts. And you can go under the hood, you can unpack as deep as you want the relationship between social media and well-being and what we're doing, whether it's as a society, family members, companies, in creating an online space for people to be more authentic and find resources for growth and transformation? Or do you think social media encourages a sense of inauthenticity, self-idealization that does more daño más dañoso to the individual well-being?
There's two ends of the spectrum, right? But as a millennial, I am not going to say all of social media is bad, of course. I think it is an incredible tool to create space for who we really are, to connect with people and to create community. The trick is that will only happen if you show up authentically, because that way you will, and your message will resonate with a community, with a group of people that will feel seen by what you are telling them. So that's when the meaningful connections happen. That's when the sense of belonging happens. And ultimately, you can extrapolate that from social media to your companies and to your events. The other end of the spectrum is that social media, and even something that we use every day for business, something like LinkedIn, allows, because of the tools, because of the filters and the constant comparisons and the posting and the algorithms, allows that enhanced, that fake version of yourself to be put out easier. So it's all about, how we want to use this tool that, for better or worse, will define the next decades of our existence as human beings. I will add one more thing, which is critical, and that is that in this age of AI, we're seeing it now with the plagiarism conversation that is happening in the news. People's litmus test for fakeness is incredibly sharp. So people will sniff out fakeness in a heartbeat. And that is the fastest way that, as a business leader, as an entrepreneur, and as a marketer, you will lose people's trusts. So that is one of the main drivers for honing in on authenticity and understanding what it is makes you and how you can communicate that online.
The counterintuitive or the counterbalance or the irony even of ChatGPT, the inculcation of AI being woven in is that, in my view, being human is more valuable and more requisite than ever before. And it makes me think of, on the heels of what you just said about, we're very in tune to fakeness or what's inauthentic. Malcolm Gladwell's book, Blink, it's like intuitively the millions of calculations our mind and our being inhabit to measure a moment in space and time. We know if it's real or not. You knew on that mountain, you knew there's that moment. You didn't need any algorithm or anybody else to inform you or confirm.
It takes
And
people an average of 7 seconds to make up their mind about you, if they see you online or if they see you in person. So if you, in your business, in your industry, don't see yourself as a brand and as someone who is putting forth these signals of either humanity or fakeness, then you need to learn about authenticity ASAP and understand that every single thing that we do, again, from the moment that we wake up to the moment that we go to bed, has to do about the way that people are perceiving us and making decisions around what we stand for, what we're selling them, and the industry that we're in.